Good morning, Junkaholics. So I haven't been around very much lately, had some stuff go on in my life, but I just want to show you what I've been working on. This is my 78 Chevy C10, 6-inch chop. It's been lowered, bed's on hydraulics, and last year I had some issues. I was having a lot of flooding, a lot of backfiring. I'd say like 10 to 12 backfires in a city block. So I had to park it. So now we're tearing it apart, see what's going on. I took the valve covers off, and valve springs, the push rods, rocker arms were all good on it. But what we did find out is the distributor. The distributor had some wiring issues, and then I found more wiring issues. So what we're going to be doing is tearing this all out, all this wiring, restarting from new, cleaning up this engine compartment because that's a mess. This is a friggin' mess. That's a mess. We're doing a heater delete on this because I only drive it in the summer anyways. So I already put the brass cap on the manifold and the brass cap on the water pump. Going to be putting in an MSD distributor with a Summit ignition box. And just so you know, the Summit ignition box has an MSD board inside of it. It's the same thing as an MSD, just way less money. But I am going with a full MSD Pro Billet distributor. New wiring, under the hood fuse panel, because I've got all this stuff that needs to be straightened out. So there's not a lot I can tell you here, but the next time you see this, it's going to be all cleaned up. We're going to do some hard steel lines on for the carbs for fuel. You know, it's just going to clean it right up. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I hope you follow along, because this will not be the same beast once I'm done. And that's some nice junk. Welcome to Joke of the Day. So they say you burn as many calories during sex as you would as running 8 miles. Who the hell runs 8 miles in 30 seconds?